Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove Powered by Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Shopify website and here is the Powered by Shopify text. So to remove this text, go to your Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store and click on Actions. Scroll down and select Edit Languages, and inside of this Filter Items section, search here Powered, and here you can see the Powered by Shopify. So click the box and give a space, and here we can see Powered by Shopify's HTML. So cut this text from here and then click on Save. And now I'm going to reload my website, and here you can see Powered by Shopify text has been deleted.